Hyderabad is not just famous for biryani and IT parks anymore. It has quietly become one of the most important defense technology hubs in India. In fact, many of India's deadliest missiles are designed, tested and produced right here. From BrahMos and Astra to Akash, Nag and next-generation hypersonic systems, Hyderabad has become the missile capital of India. And if you love such hidden defense stories, subscribe to DefNexus for more military deep dives. The transformation began when DRDO established major missile labs in the city like DRDL, RCI and ASL. Under Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's leadership in the 1980s, Hyderabad became the center of India's integrated guided missile development program. This is where iconic missiles like Agni, Prithvi, Akash and Nag were developed. Today, Bharat Dynamics Limited based in Hyderabad manufactures Akash missiles, Astra air-to-air missiles, anti-tank missiles, torpedoes and advanced ammunition systems for the Indian Armed Forces. But Hyderabad is now far beyond just DRDO and PSUs. Private giants like Tata Advanced Systems, Adani Defence and solar industries are building drones, missile components, radars and advanced aerospace systems here. The city now supports over 1,000 MSMEs connected to missile and aircraft production chains. Research Center Imarat develops advanced missile guidance systems, while ESL works on hypersonic technologies and strategic missile platforms. From missile software and propulsion to AI-enabled warfare systems, Hyderabad has become one of the biggest pillars of India's military future. For more interesting Indian defense-related content, subscribe to DefNexus.